Hello ladies and gentlemen, this boy Sam from Mortar Trading here, and today we'll be looking at NAKD, the fan favourite once again, baby. Now as you can see, I've got the American football top on and we are ready to rumble. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about what is next for NAKD, but firstly, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who are currently subscribed. We have just hit 2,000 subscribers. That is an insane number, and I cannot thank you enough. Honestly, myself and Josh are forever grateful for everything you guys do for us, so thank you all so much. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I think is likely going to happen with NAKD's price action, and I have a bit of a theory based on a recent news article which I will show shortly. Now, anything I say within this video is not financial advice, and it's important that you all do your own due diligence. I mean, I can only scout the battlefield for you, however, I cannot fight the battle for you. So, be sure to do your own due diligence and, feel free to listen to what I say, but don't just go off my word. So, with that being said, let's get on with the video. Okay, so first and foremost, as you can see, we are currently in, well, we're in the ascending level of support, right? However, we do have a fair amount of resistance at the top here. You see, we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like it's been a lot of resistance, and as you can see, we are closing this resistance and it is getting a very thin margin. So today we are going to see some movement. Now, is it going to be up or down, you may ask? In my opinion, today we are going to drop down. And I have some theories behind this, and it's nothing to be worried about, right? But there is a few articles which I wanted to bring to your attention, and to me, it seems a little bit fishy. So what I think is going to happen, we're going to be pushed through the floor today, and I think we're going to be touching back around, I would say around the 53 to 51 mark for market close today. I mean, it's not ideal, but that's just what I think could happen based off this article and, what we've been seeing. Like, I mean, the volume hasn't been awful, but the volume hasn't really been, it's not really been there to be able to push this to new heights, if that makes sense. So, within this video, I'm going to explain why I think this is going to happen, and you all can make your own judgments. But this is in no way, shape, or form saying that I'm bearish on NAKD. You all know what I'm like with NAKD. I am very bullish to the extreme with NAKD. Like, I can see this hitting monumental heights, right? But I think short term, especially today, we're going to see some negative price action, and I'm going to explain why. So yes, stay tuned. So as you can currently see on your screen right now, this is an article from Bendon real-time news. It's quite a verified source. However, this seems way too specific for my liking. And we're going to break this down. And this is why I think we're going to be bearish the next couple of days, right? So shares of penny stocks, NAKD and SNDL have each held above important support levels. This could set the stage for new uptrends to form. Now, in my opinion, yes, that is true. There could be potential uptrends, and this does seem like a clear level of support. However, I think that this is a forged article because they are very specific with the support of 50 cents, right? And you can currently see here the key support is at 50 cents. The stock rallied off of it on Monday. Now, even on the chart here, you can see that we actually fell below 50 cents before we rallied up. Similar here, we saw a false breakout. So for me, our support level is around 48 cents. That's what we normally bounce off of before we see some positive price action. 50 cents, I mean, it is there, but I think we're going to drop below 50 cents personally. Just based off this article, because I think this is a tactic to fearmonger us. And, I just wanted to bring this to all of your attention, that this could be a ploy to potentially whittle out some of us fellow apes to get us out of this stock. And, SNDL is in a very similar position to NAKD. I mean, it's not as fundamentally sound as we all know than NAKD, but SNDL and NAKD, they're in that Reddit meme stock category. Although NAKD has the fundamentals to back up, I mean, it should be trading a lot higher than it. I mean, the SNDL, it is a bit of a meme stock, and obviously NAKD is put within that same bracket with AMC, GME. I mean, when AMC moves, NAKD generally moves with it, right? So that's just something that I wanted to point out. And the fact that they have used SNDL with NAKD as an example brings a lot of question marks to me, because as well with SNDL, you can see that they said there's resistance level at 80 cents, but if you look down here, The resistance level was below 80 cents before the bounce off. Maybe here it may have been 80 cents, right? And even then, it was actually slightly below 80 cents, right? So they are very specific with this 80 cents mark. And again, I think this is a tactic to try and scare us. And I would not be surprised if we saw some bearish price action for SNDL and NAKD. NAKD to drop below around 40, I reckon 48 cents eventually before it bounces back up again and reverses. The SNDL, I reckon it'll be around 75 cents. Again, all my opinion, not financial advice, but this is all my opinion. And in honesty, I'm probably just going to be adding to my position if it falls around 50 cents. So happy days, hey. Hedgies, do your thing, get my average down. But anyway, that is why I think that we're going to be bearish the next couple of days. But like I said, nothing to worry about. We hodl as per usual. We hold the line as always, and we succeed. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is today's video. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying to bring these updates a lot more often, short, snappy, to the point videos. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video on the channel. Take care, everyone.